On 28 March 2006, I had dinner on a sunny terrace in Eindhoven. DSM's head of legal asked me how I would organize the model contracts for their legal teams worldwide. I explained him that after upgrading their model contracts, they needed to automate them. He asked me if I was interested in doing that. As I enjoy living in Amsterdam, moving to Maastricht was not really an attractive option for me. In the days that followed, I started to design what later became Weagree's contract automation and CLM. The way lawyers drafted and managed contracts was hopelessly inefficient, flooded with admin. The word legal tech didn't even exist yet. It had to be the very best contracting solution one could possibly think of. That year, I drafted a bunch of M&A templates for DSM and later also the procurement templates and technology-related contracts for a number of major Dutch multinationals. 20 years ago, no law firm would share their model contracts or know-how for free. So sharing ours would make Weagree stand out. It would be the best evidence for in-depth expertise and highest quality. Weagree has always shared its own model contracts, model clauses, books on contract drafting, on cross-border contracting, best practice guides on legal ops and legal tech adoption, all of it free. For me, more rewarding was the gratitude I received for it. Millions of website visitors, tens of thousands of downloads. In February, my LinkedIn group Drafting Contracts passed 150,000 members. And on 28 March, Weagree turns 20. To celebrate both, we're giving something back. Again, a free contract review add-in for Microsoft Word. No subscription, no usage limits, no restrictions on playbooks. We'll even share our own playbooks for free too, starting in the coming weeks. Your only cost is your own AI model. OpenAI, Claude, Google's Gemini, that's your entire cost. If you need then enterprise-grade contract automation or CLM, you know where to find us. 20 years of expertise. Happy to help. Thank you. Links are in the comments.